Let's review this again. Incise the edges slightly apart. You want to be sure too that you can totally see the tooth. You don't want it covered by a lip, or you don't want to cover it also with a shade tab. We see photos like this, or missing teeth or temporaries. Think about what tooth you want to shoot. Square yourself up to that tooth. If it's a central incisor, it's going to be here. If it's a lateral, I'm going to move right over here. And if it's a lower tooth, lower the cheek retractors a little bit. There you go. If it's a lower tooth, still come in straight and don't pull these out. Keep it close and down. Okay, there you go. Down further if you can. There. And now, if it's a lower tooth, I'm going to rest it just like this. Tilt it in. Snap. And obviously, if it's on the other side, then what you're going to want to do is move the cheek retractor. Say it's a upper tooth on the right, and then up. You do it this way. And if it's a lower tooth, then you just come down. And the same thing on the other side. Now, just again, make sure that the retractors pull the lip down off of the tooth. There you go. Okay, you want to put your fingers at rest on her chin. Just make that shade tab a little higher. This is how you don't want it. This is like at 90 degrees. And now I'm going to tilt it in a little bit. You want to make sure you're on the same plane as her teeth. The incisal edge is up on the shade tab. You square it up to the tooth you want. Snap. You make the photo.